my channel. So today I'm going to review the most awaited foundation of this time, which is the Huda Beauty foundation. So when it first came out, I was dying to buy it because everybody was reviewing it, and you know, like they were talking a lot about this, a lot of good things about this foundation. First thing I did is going to the Sephora, and obviously they didn't have, and unfortunately every brand, I mean everything that comes out in US, it's really hard to find in Italy. Like, oh my god, what if I wait till the Sephora have the Huda Beauty foundation? And I was like, oh my god, no, I really have to get it because I really can't wait. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna risk. I know the foundation is a little bit expensive. I know it costs 38 euros for me, and I was like, oh my god, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy it. What about the shade? I always what about my shade? This is the shade Gingerbread. When I saw the color Toffee, I was like, oh my god, what if it's too light for me? And I was like, am I going to buy the lighter one or the darker one? And I was like, okay, no, I'm gonna buy the Gingerbread. I don't care, I want to risk. And I took this. This is supposed to be a very full coverage foundation, and it actually comes with a primer, which is really great. I think it's the first time that a foundation came out with the sample. And I really want to tell you something, guys. The primer, if you have oily skin, it's absolutely not for you because it's very moisturizing and it's very hydrating. If you have very normal to dry skin, it's perfect for you. And but the foundation, if you have an oily skin, it's the best foundation. I think it's the best. It's so matte, and it's not really the mattest foundation that I've seen, but it's matte and it's so good. And if you have a very dry skin, the primer is absolutely great for you, but the foundation, I don't know if it's good for you because I know, you know, if something is the best for oily skin, it's not obviously the best for dry skin. You know what I mean, right? I do have a very normal, and sometimes I even, like in winter, in fall, I do have a little bit of a dry skin, but I still really love it. I really love it. I have no issues with how the texture of the foundation is. I really something that I really find difficult for me to find the shade. So once I find my shade, I really love everything about that foundation. I don't really matter if it's sheer, if it's a full coverage, if it's a light coverage, I don't really care. The important thing is for me to find out the shade that actually matches to me. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So today I'm gonna do half with the Beauty Blender and the other half with my Sigma brush. Just gonna go ahead and so far it's covering really good, and the color, it's a little bit darker to me, but again, it's fine. Okay, now I really love the brushes to apply my foundation, so I feel more comfortable when I'm applying my foundation with the brush. But you know what? Even with the Beauty Blender, it applies really good. I really love the application. Either with the brush or the Beauty Blender, it's just the same to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take another pump just to see the coverage. So this is the shade Gingerbread. I think it's a little bit darker to me. I just have to finish the look and see if it is too dark for me. So this is the final look, Actually, while I was applying the foundation, I was not that happy, right? Finish my look actually. I used my Kat Von D Lock It concealer underneath my eyes, and I also used my translucent powder by Kat Von D Lock It collection, and that's the only thing that I've used. And I see that right now I am loving the final result. Yes, it still looks a little bit dark, but you know what? I really do love now. So to be very honest, now this has smoothed my skin. It's absolutely great. Love the primer. It was sticky, but it's not too sticky. It's just the right amount of the tightness that you need to put on your foundation. And absolutely, if you have dry skin, you can buy this. The foundation, it's really good for oily skin. I think the primer is best for dry skin. And obviously I will link down the website where you can buy this from Italy, because the Sephora do the international shipping to a lot of countries. Obviously they don't ship to Italy because they are like, okay, you do have Sephora in Italy and go there, but you know what? Yes, we do have Sephora in Italy, but we don't get the things that you come up with. So yeah, it's really sad. I wish I was living somewhere else just because of Sephora. So this is it for today's video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys next time.